Welcome to SujanFunKitchen. Today it's a traditional recipe taught by my mother-in-law and prepared by my mother-in-law, Jeera Rasam and Curry or Snakegourd Curry. It's very soothing for the stomach and it's scrumptious too. So let's go on to the process. First, cut the snakegourd into very thin slices. Add some moong dal and salt and look at the technique. Toss the salt with a pressing movement all over the finely chopped snake gourd so that it helps the water to drain out from the vegetable. Yeah, keep doing this. See my mother-in-law do this and allow the snake gourd to rest for some time till the water drains out for 20 to 30 minutes. Now let's go on to the next process of tempering. Take a thick bottomed kadai or pan and then heat some oil and add some hing or asafoetida and then add Kashmiri chilies and mustard seeds and allow the mustard to splutter and then add urad dal. Yes, here comes my urad dal and let it become golden. And now it's time to add the snake gourd and see the snake gourd, it's dry. This is the way, like press out the water, drain out the water from the rested vegetable like this. See my mother-in-law squeeze out the water so that you have a beautiful curry in no time. Yeah, see her do it. Yes, this is the way to press out the water. Yeah, and it drains out as you squeeze, the water drains out and making it a very dry curry. Yes, yeah, you can see the process again. Just squeeze out the water from the rested snake gourd along with the dal, moong dal. Add them to the kadai, to the tempering. See, this is how the water drains out. You can use this for the rasam. And now toss this vegetable for a few minutes to get a wonderful Padalanga curry or snake gourd curry. At this stage, keep stirring and tossing over low flame till the snake gourd curry is cooked well. It's time to make our Jeera Rasam. So, shall we see the process? The ingredients required are curry leaves, peppercorn, tur dal and jeera. So soak all this in some water. Yeah, now add some water just to cover the ingredients. Yeah, I'll just give some time of 15 minutes or so. Mix it well and then meanwhile add some tamarind paste. 1 spoon of tamarind paste, add some 3 cups of water, mix it well. You have tamarind water and then now grind all the ingredients in a mixer jar. See that the jeera paste is grainy and not very soft. So this is ideal for the jeera rasam. So add this jeera paste to the tamarind water and add some sambar powder and some salt to taste and let everything come to a boil. Let it be boiling over simmering heat. Yeah, let it boil over simmer flame. Yes, and then meanwhile let's go on to the tempering. Add some few teaspoons of ghee and then into it add some mustard seeds. And then add some jeera which adds to the flavor and now add Kashmiri red chilies that are broken into halves and then add this tempering to the rasam, boiling jeera rasam. Oh my, it looked beautiful. Yes, and it's ready to be served. Just look at the mouth-watering rasam. It goes wonderfully well with rice with white rice and hot ghee and Snakegourd curry. Yes, it's a wonderful meal which is ideal on some days when you feel very full after festivities. Try out this Jeera Rasam and Puddalanga curry and give me a like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to press the bell icon for early notifications, and thanks for watching my video.